In this tutorial video, we'll practice making a linear pattern. As an exercise, we'll make attachment holes to the trailer bottom you can see on the screen, so it can be attached to trailer's body. This exercise has been prepared by making the first hole to the board. The diameter of the hole is 6 mm and it's located 20 mm from the edges of the board. With a linear pattern, we'll make 6 equally placed attachment holes to both long edges. Let's start making the pattern. From the feature tree, choose the feature of the first hole, Cutout. Right-click it and from the context menu, choose Feature Pattern. The program opens Pattern Data window where you define the pattern. Choose Linear Pattern. First, let's define the pattern in the length direction. The length of the board is 2165 mm and we want the holes to be equally placed along the whole length. For the number of the holes, type 6. For the length of the pattern, give the length of the board minus the outermost hole's distance from the edge. Choose Length and type 2165 mm minus 40 mm. Next, let's define the pattern in the width direction. We want the holes to be along both long edges, so type 2 to number. For the width of the pattern, give the width of the board minus the outermost hole's distance from the edge. Choose Width and type 1242 mm minus 40 mm. All necessary selections are done. Press OK to locate the pattern. The pattern is located in the sketching state. If the pattern is wrongly oriented, you can rotate it from the upper left-hand corner of the window. In the menu, you can change Rotate Step, which way you rotate it, or mirror the pattern. The pattern will be attached to the first hole, so the pattern needs to be rotated. In this case, choose Mirror Sketch, so the pattern is correctly with respect to the board and the first hole. Zoom in to the first hole and attach the pattern to the center of the hole. The pattern is now located. Exit the sketch by pressing OK. Linear pattern is now ready and it's in the feature tree under the cutout of the first hole.